The next application is installing TandoStone with the aLL-Pro corner on a wall that is a continuous run without a door or window on a front elevation. In this application, the layout will require the fabrication of a cut panel or cut panel XL. We'll go into more detail about this later. To get started, as always, begin the first row with an A corner on both ends of the wall. Securely fasten the aLL-Pro corner on the left side and temporarily tack an A corner on the right side. To install the A corner, we are using 1.5-inch roofing nails. Refer to our installation guidelines for fastener specifications. First, nail 2 fasteners flush on either side of the corner of the wall. All subsequent fasteners are installed with 1/16-inch clearance using the hammer stop feature. Next, place a fastener in the last nailing slot at both ends of the nailing flange. Continue adding fasteners across the nailing flange, spacing them no more than 8 inches apart. To finish, install 1 fastener in the lateral nailing slot. There will be a total of 8 fasteners in each corner. Keep in mind, the aLL-Pro corner is engineered and manufactured out of a full TandoStone panel and has the same nailing flange. Unlike the panel, do not install a fastener in the pre-marked center nail hole on the aLL-Pro corner. Next, measure the opening between the 2 corners, from the installation line on the left corner to the left edge of the nailing flange of the aLL-Pro corner on the right. As you can see on this job, the opening between the 2 is 96 inches. Using 40 inches as the approximate width of a full panel, calculate how many full-length panels will fit in this space. Once the number of full 40-inch panels is determined, the remaining space will be the approximate size of the cut panel, or cut panel XL that is required. If that opening is 12 inches or more, we will make a cut panel. If the opening is less than 12 inches, we will make a cut panel XL. You should never make or use fabricated panel less than 12 inches. If that opening is 12 inches or more, we will make a cut panel. Cut panels are used for openings of 12 inches to 40 inches, after all full panels are accommodated. If the opening is less than 12 inches, we will make a cut panel XL. This is an oversized panel for openings between 40 inches and 52 inches wide. We'll describe how to make a cut panel XL later. As you can see, this opening is 96 inches, which means we will use 2 full panels, leaving an opening of approximately 16 inches. Begin installing the full panels from left to right, fastening securely as you move across the wall until you reach the opening where the cut panel will be installed.